Hi everyone and welcome back to the channel. So today we have a 2018 Honda Civic Turbo Touring in the shop, and we are about to attempt to put a rear deck spoiler on it for the daughter. So I'll get the camera turned around and set up, and we'll get to mounting this thing. Be right back. There we go. Okay, so now we're going to take this spoiler. We've marked here. I'll show you. We've marked on either side of the deck lid here with a marker to where this spoiler is centered. So we've done that on either side, and we've got to take some double-sided tape here and put this on. We marked this in an inconspicuous spot over here, and we were able to wipe it off with some rubbing alcohol, so we know that's the where we want to be. Again, we've got to clean this off with some rubbing alcohol. We'll clean this off in here. They sent some two-sided 3M tape, trim tape that we'll put this on with, and we'll make sure we get a good adhesion. So we'll be right back with that part of the installation. So we've taken some rubbing alcohol here, and we've cleaned off the back of this tail light spoiler trim piece on here. We've cleaned all this off, and we will now clean the back side of this off. We'll clean this off here with some rubbing alcohol. There we go. Now we're going to put the 3M tape along the back side of this spoiler. It looks like they supply enough of this tape. And we'll start a little bit long here, and we'll curve it along. Lay it down and curve it like so.
Oh, it looks good. Was there already a spoiler on here? Oh.
So we're just curving that along like so. Camera's live, you know. Oh. But you're not in it.
Oh, good. I don't want to be in it.
And we're just curving this along. We got this curved along. There we go, we've got that curved along. We'll just trim it off here. We'll make sure that this is down in the groove here. We won't pull the backing off this tape till we actually get it flipped over and to see kind of where it should go. I want to see how that tape lays onto the bottom top of this other piece here. So we've just got this all pushed into here now. Get any bubbles out. Okay, we'll flip it over and we'll just see how that fits. Yeah, it seems to fit good. It appears that it fits good anyway. There's no other place to put some tape. We can get some tape here by the look of it on the front side of this here too. So we'll put some tape there. They give us enough tape. I would assume it's got to be stuck down in a couple of spots here. Again, it came with no instructions that I could find. No instructions, no. But they gave us enough tape, so I'm going to make the educated guess that we need to put tape on both sides of this so it doesn't lift. That seems to go to about there where it wants to start to dip. So we'll cut this here. Nice. Push this down. And we'll cut this here. There we go. We'll take some more alcohol. We'll rub the front of this spoiler down. I did get that rubbed down, but we'll do that again just to make sure. So there, now we've got the two-sided tape on here. We won't peel that off yet. I'll just clean the front side of this spoiler off. Again, with little to no instruction. We don't know exactly where that tape is supposed to go, but I'm guessing that's probably the best place for it. Okay, we'll pull the other side of this tape off. That just does this. Same as this one. Okay, Jolie, we're going to flip this. We're going to line that up with that little dot. And I'm going to line it up with this dot here first before we drop it on. And we'll flip this over. We'll line it up with that dot on either side.
Like on the dot?
Kind of just beside the dot there. Okay. I think we're pretty good there. Let's have a look.
Is that good?
Let's have a look. Yeah, that looks good. Okay, now we'll push this down. I do believe that is all there is to this thing. Yeah, it's not going to go any farther.
Put some on the ends. Like, oh, I guess it won't touch.
No, it doesn't touch. Let's see, Jolie, see what it does? Yeah, the whole thing kind of wiggles like that. It doesn't. Let me just get my light, I'll have a look. Yeah, that's all hooked on there. That's kind of how it goes. Not much more we can do about it, I don't think. The wind will definitely push it down. Yeah, there's no other.
Just where the, like, the dots are.
What's that?
Like, is there anything we could put there? Like,
Well,
just... Because that's where it needs to be held.
We could put some double-sided tape. We'll try some double-sided tape here.
Yeah.
See what it does. Yeah, we can try some there. We'll clean that off and see if we can. It's not mounted in very many spots, is it?
No. You don't think it would fly off?
Well, that 3M tape is pretty sticky, but yeah, I'll turn the camera off and we'll have a look at this and we'll be right back with the final result. Oh. Okay, I'll just give you a little bit different look here in the light. It looks pretty good, nice and good fit. So there's that rear tail spoiler here on the 2018 Honda Civic Touring. So there we have the installation of that rear deck spoiler on the 2018 Honda Civic Touring. I'll try to get a link to that spoiler in the description. I don't know where she got it from, but I think it was Amazon. I'll see if I can get a link. If I can find a link, I'll put it in the description. So if you're interested in one of these, you can buy one and do this yourself. So again, remember to like, share, and hit that subscribe button. And thanks again for watching. We'll see you on the next one. Later. Bye now.